Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw from Chime without a card. So if you are wondering whether you can make cardless withdrawals on Chime or not, then let me tell you that currently Chime doesn't provide the option of cardless ATM withdrawals, so you will need your debit card to withdraw your money. However, don't skip the video yet, as there are some alternative methods that you can try. So here are some of the methods that you can try to do it. So in the first method, you can try a different account or card. So if you don't have a Chime debit card, then what you can do is you can simply attach any other bank's card with your Chime application and you can start using it. If you don't have any other card, then what you can do is you can simply link your bank account with Chime and this will also work. In the second method, you can directly seek help from your friend. So if your friend have a Chime debit card, then you can ask your friend to withdraw the money for you from Chime. In the third method, you can use a mobile payment application. So you can use some alternative apps such as Zelle, Cash App, Amazon Pay, Google Pay, etc. So these mobile application can also do the work for you. In the fourth method, you can use a debit card that works worldwide. So what you can do is you can simply apply for the prepaid debit cards and you can link it with your Chime card and you can start using it for withdrawals. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.